Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I make this aloe vera oil for your hair and your skin. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share Reaction TV. In today's video we are going to be making aloe vera oil for your hair and for your skin. These are all the ingredients I'm going to be using. I have my aloe vera plant, then I have coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I have my vitamin E oil and sweet almond oil. Also I have my essential oil that I'm going to be adding to the aloe vera oil later. I have eucalyptus oil and the tea tree oil. Okay, what I'm going to do, I've already washed my aloe vera plant off camera. It's all clean. I've washed it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it into pieces. Okay, as you can see, I'm just going to cut it into pieces. Then after cutting the aloe vera plant, I'm going to grate the gel out of it. You can also blend it if you want, but in today's video I choose to grate the aloe vera plant. Okay, I'm going to get my grater right now. Is a bowl that I'm going to be grating the aloe vera gel into it. First of all, I'm going to cut those sides off because those have a pointy. You don't want it to poke your hand. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use a knife to slice the skin off. All we need from this oil is the gel. Okay, that's the gel. I'm going to take the grater and grate the gel off, but you can choose to blend it if you want. If you can choose to blend, it's up to you. Okay, it's up to you. Aloe vera is very good for our hair. It's also good for our skin. If you have eczema, if you are the type that have eczema, it's very good for eczema. Aloe vera contains an enzyme which is called proteolytic enzymes, okay, which helps to repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. Aloe vera promotes hair growth. It also prevents itching on your scalp. It also reduces dandruff and condition your hair. Aloe vera has a lot of benefit. You can research on your own to see more amazing benefit of aloe vera. Okay, as you can see, what I'm doing, I'm still grating my aloe vera gel. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do the rest off camera. As you can see, I've already grated the gel. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take my clean pot. Okay, that is my clean pot. I'm going to be adding about 5 to 6 teaspoons of my coconut oil. You can use olive oil, you can use castor oil, you can use any carrier oil of your choice. It all depends on you. Okay, that's my coconut oil. I love coconut oil. Coconut oil is also good for your hair. It's also good for your skin. It makes your hair shiny. It makes your skin shiny also. Okay, you know the weather is cold. That is why during the winter the coconut oil gets solidified. Okay, but what I'm going to do right now, I'm just putting about, let's say about half a cup of coconut oil. Then I'm adding my vitamin E oil and also adding the sweet almond oil. Okay, and then I'm going to put it on the stove on a low heat. Okay, I'll allow the oil to dissolve on a very low heat. Yeah, I've already put my oil, the coconut oil, on the stove. I'm just allowing it to dissolve so that before I add the aloe vera gel. As you can see, the oil is dissolving right now. Make sure you lower your heat. Make sure the heat is very low. Okay, then what I'm going to do, after the coconut oil is dissolved, I'm going to pour in my aloe vera gel. Okay, and I will cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, my oil is completely dissolved. Then I'm going to add in my aloe vera gel. You see that? Then I will allow it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. We'll just allow it to cook on a very low heat, guys. Make sure you do this on a very, very low heat. As you can see, did you see the changes on the gel? The gel is getting, the aloe vera is getting brown. Yeah, just give it a quick stir. You stir it around because you don't want it to burn. You can see the difference right now. And just give it a stir. Then the oil is ready. What I'm going to do, I'm going to turn up the heat. I'm going to turn up the heat and allow it to cool down. After allowing it to cool down, then I'm going to strain the oil inside any jar of my choice. Okay, now the oil have already cooled down. I'm just going to strain it. I'm going to get my strainer and strain it inside this jar. This oil is very easy to make. It's very, very easy to make. Okay, you can use this on your hair. You can use it on your skin. On your skin also, it's very good. If you have any skin problem, this oil is very good for your skin. If you have eczema, use this oil. You're gonna love it. Your skin will love it. There you go, guys. The oil is ready. The oil is ready. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add in my essential oil. Okay, I'm just trying it right now. Look at that shine, guys. Look at that shine. This oil give your hair a good shine. It give your skin. I do add this oil to my kids cream also, because you know winter our skin choose to be very dry during winter. What I will do after making this oil, I will add some to my kids and to my cream also. What I'm going to do right, I'm going to add the essential oil, like about 5 drops of tea tree oil and the essential oil. The tea tree oil serves as a preservative. Okay, that will just stay together, and the eucalyptus oil give it that nice smell. Okay, I love the smell of eucalyptus essential oil. I'll just stay together. That's it. Our oil is ready. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to share reaction, like and share, and give me a thumbs up. I love you guys. Bye. See you on my next one. Bye.